Carol from BoomerTECH Adventures, and we're doing this Facebook Live today in Maine, and we thought it would be fun to show you how to use markup in photos. It's one of the editing functions, and we found that a lot of people don't have a clue what it can do and how they might use it. So that's what I'm going to show you today, and we are going to move to my iPad, and I'm going to open Photos. And that's a picture of my dog, Sammy. He looks very ferocious there, but if you notice, he's got a chew. That's why his mouth and little snaggle tooth is showing. Now, this is not the greatest picture, but it's kind of cute of him. So, the neat thing about markup is you can actually write on the photo. So you could create birthday cards or special greetings or label. So what you do is you go up to the edit button, and it depends on somewhere else. In fact, if you're not using iOS 12, you might not see the word edit. You might see a line with little circles in it, 3 parallel lines with little circles. But usually it's the word edit. So I'm going to tap edit. And again, on my iPad, the choices come on the right-hand side. And other devices, you might see them at the top or the other side. And down here, you notice there's a circle with 3 dots. If I tap that, you will see that one of my options is markup. I tap that, and up pops this palette. I've got 3 pens, a fairly thin, a thick, and a medium. Then there's the eraser. Then there's the lasso, which I'll tell you. And then there are the colors. So if I choose this marker and green, you see how that turned green? And I can go right to the picture and I can write on it. If I don't like that, I can tap the kind of a curvy backward arrow. If I tap that, hello reappears. Well, what if I like the way hello looks, but I don't quite like the placement? Well, that's when the lasso comes to play. Now, it took me a long time to figure out what to do. I would tap it and I would draw circles here and nothing would happen. I know that the lasso is supposed to help you cut out something and move it around. So finally I did what I should have done the first time I couldn't figure it out. I went to Google and I said, how do you use the lasso on markup? And sure enough, I found out what you have to do is it only works on something you've marked up. So you notice if I draw around hello, it kind of pops up there, those marching ants, and I can now move hello wherever I would like. So maybe I want it down here further. And then I just tap and it goes away. Now, maybe I want to underline it with a thicker one. Well, black is not going to show up there, so I wonder what other color choices. So the rainbow circle gives me all these choices. I'm feeling like purple. And if you notice over here, that thick marker, which I had chosen, has turned. And now I can, well, why isn't that working? Isn't that interesting? Let's scoot this down. Now that's really strange. Well, let's see what happens. Let's try another color. Excuse me. I'm going to erase that. There we go. So I can find other colors. I think it's probably because I use the lasso. But live and learn. So I don't like that. I can get rid of it. I'm going to make up one now. I'm going to do the fine print and I'm going to do green. Do a little bit. And I'm just going to write Sammy's name. I can message it, I can email it, I could print it, lots of different choices. So again, have fun with Markup. Go to Edit, look for the circle, 3 dots, choose Markup, there's your palette. You will also find Markup on a Mac, laptop, or desktop, but of course you aren't using your finger, you're using the cursor. And you will find this on your iPad and on your phone. So that's it. How to use Markup. Pretty simple. I hope you try it. I hope you will visit us on Facebook. Just do a search for BoomerTECH Adventures on Facebook, and there will be, and we have a variety of posts weekly. Or you could visit our regular page, which is BoomerTECHadventures.com, where you will find blogs and you will find tips and you will find a marketplace. We have a couple books for sale, we have a course. So I hope you will investigate and learn more about, oh, I almost forgot, we also have a YouTube channel. So I hope you will visit us, leave us some comments, and let us know what you'd really like to see or learn about your iPad and iPhone or your Mac laptop. That's it from here in Maine, where it is about to rain. Hope you are all having a great day. Bye-bye. See you next time.